Hi everyone, how is everyone doing? Good day. Thanks again for joining again. It's another beautiful day. Stay with us as we make some things. So how is everyone doing? My returning subscribers, thank you everyone. I really appreciate it. If I come across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to comment. I'm Chichi Lifestyle, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Plateau State, Jos. So do well to like, comment, and also share. Help us, okay? So come with us as we make some things. Packing charcoal. So you all know that I used to sell charcoal. Yeah, I do use charcoal and I used to sell. So this is the back of the ones that will be tied. So let me fetch this one. I'll be using to cook. I don't have charcoal up. So let's go upstairs to the kitchen. Let's go upstairs to the kitchen. So let's on our charcoal. Teacher, stand up. That's it. Let's see your clothes. Don't put for me, fly out. Don't put for me. That's good for me. It's okay. You have started. So guys, on our charcoal will allow you to catch. Allow me to catch. Let's wait for some minutes to continue. Yes, I've on the charcoal and I'm going to allow it to catch. I think we are going to be eating swallow this afternoon because I just come back from shop and it's almost 1 p.m. and children will soon come back from school. So there's no way I can start cooking now. That means before we finish, 4 will do and they will be feeling hungry. So it's better since I have soup. So it's better for me to do swallow for them. Then in the night I can look for another thing for them to eat. That is the life we are managing. Okay. So guys, let's do our swallow.
You not eat it. I said I'll eat the rice. See a good color, red. Or what's this color? This color green. Then this color is blue. This color is blue. This color. Then other color is red. Then another color is yellow. Then this color is black.
She got to school. She has to get.
Yeah?
She has space.
No.
She wear what?
She wears space.
Yes. You should put it here. Put it here.
Kumanya tana aiki a government. This is office. If they go to office, they will offer them FC, they will relax. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do me well by liking, commenting, and also please help me share my video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please stay tuned to another video and enjoy your day. Love you all.